This episode will run through how our infrared heating systems proved the most desirable choice in the market, especially in terms of their sustainability and efficiency. So conventional heating processes in factories have now become outdated with the development of new shortwave infrared heating, as it poses many advantages, especially in a factory setting application. For example, our products in shortwave infrared heating offer a much more efficient alternative to conventional heating processes. Their efficiency comes from the precision in heating and distribution of the heat, as it directly emitted to the targeted objects and people instead of also heating up the surrounding air. This therefore produces a more even heat distribution, as the infrared is re-emitted from the absorbed objects as opposed to the air heating, which creates drafts and uneven temperature distribution, with warm air rising to the ceiling. Warm air heating can also alter humidity levels, potentially causing condensation and dampness, whereas infrared heating does not alter humidity due to its avoidance of heating the air. Furthermore, this precision in infrared heating also provides instant warmth, as it is directly absorbed, so there's no wait time or warm-up time, with the lamps reaching full output in less than a second. This is especially beneficial for factories. The lack of startup time allows for faster production. It can also be used as an effective spot heating installation over workstations for employee welfare consideration if mass space heating is not feasible. Furthermore, these compact systems provide us a suitable and easy installation for factories, unlike traditional systems which may need an additional infrastructure upgrades such as gas pipeline preparation. These infrared heaters solely require electrical wiring and placement site. Another significant issue with conventional heating that infrared heating avoids is the production of noise, especially in warm air blowing systems, for example. In contrast, infrared heaters produce minimal noise and would therefore not disrupt any silence that may be required in a place of work. Thank you for listening.